In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a GCash QR code. This process is straightforward and will allow you to easily use your QR code for transactions. Let's start by generating your QR code. First, open the GCash app on your device. You'll notice that the home screen offers several options. Tap on the option labeled QR. This is a convenient feature of the app, designed to make receiving payments seamless and efficient. Once you've tapped QR, the next step is to select Generate QR. This option is crucial because it creates a unique code specifically for your account. After selecting Generate QR, tap on Receive Money via QR code. This ensures that the QR code generated is meant for receiving payments, which is exactly what we need for our next steps. Now your personal QR code will appear on the screen. With your QR code visible, it's important to save it for printing. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can tap on Download or Save QR within the app. This will save the image directly to your phone or device, making it easy to access later. Alternatively, you can take a screenshot of the QR code. Screenshots are a quick way to capture what's on your screen, and they work just as well for this purpose. Once you've saved the QR code, you're ready to move on to the printing process. Next, open the saved QR image on your phone or computer. It's important to ensure that the image is clear and not pixelated for the best print quality. From here, choose the printer you wish to use. Most devices will prompt you to select a printer when you initiate a print job. Selecting the right printer is crucial, as it ensures that the image is sent to the correct device. Now, you need to set the paper size. Depending on how you intend to use your QR code, you might choose a 4-paper or a sticker label size. If you plan to stick the QR code on a surface for easy scanning, a sticker label might be better. Otherwise, a 4 is a standard size that works well in most situations. Once you have set the paper size, it's time to print. Tap Print, and your QR code will be sent to the printer. This will take a moment, and you should see the printed QR code appear shortly. This step is important because having a physical copy of your QR code allows you to display it wherever you need it, ensuring convenient access for transactions. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully printed your GCash QR code. This code can now be used to receive payments effortlessly. Remember, having a printed QR code is practical for businesses or personal use, as it allows you to accept payments without the need for any additional devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow.